Hi Team Livronic. Do you want to maximize the conversion rate for your particular listing? My name is Abdul Rahim. So today I will be giving you a few suggestions for your listing image, A plus content, video, and brand story. So first of all, you have used the main images, the listing images pretty well. But in the first image, we want to use the white background as the first image because the Amazon always suggests for all the listing to use the white background for the main image, and after that you have used quite well images, but we want to include the infographic images as well, and also we want to include the lifestyle images that a person will be using this mop or something like that, so the customers will be feeling a little bit more attraction there and they will be feeling little trust over this product, so the conversion rate will be increasing. So we want to make this main image as the white background, and we want to include lifestyle images as well, and also we want to increase the design for the infographic images. These are the basic images, but we want to use the infographic images will be looking like around like a 3D picture. That images will be a little bit more quality, and that will be increasing the conversion rate as well. So after that, coming scrolling down, we can see that you haven't used the A plus content, and also you haven't used the video. So Amazon have given us a big opportunity to provide the video for our listing, so the customers can easily watch if there is a big like a confusing product or something like that. So if there is a video, so the customers can easily understand that how this product will be actually looking like. So this will be decreasing our return rate also, and it will be making well aware of our product what we are actually providing. So customers will be getting an idea easily by going through the video, and also if we are using the A plus content as well, the customers will be easily understanding what is the material, what is the height and weight of the product, what is for what all kind of purpose we can use the product. So all these things we want to design the in the A plus content. We can use around 5 to 6 modules A plus content, and these modules are pretty enough for our listing. We can include almost all the details in the A plus content. So this way we can maximum explain like what our product actually mean, and this will be decreasing the seller return also, and that will be helping so much for our business. And after that, we have talked about the listing image, and we want to include the video, and also we want to include the A plus content. And your brand you have Livronic brand, but you haven't created the brand store, and the brand store also plays a major role for the increasing of conversion rate, because when a customer searches something like a word related to your product on Google or any search engine, so our products brand store will be maybe will be suggesting on that search engine. So from that, also the customers will be redirecting to this Amazon our store, and this also will be increasing the conversion rate. So we don't want to miss any opportunity that is Amazon providing for us for the free. We just want to optimize, and we want to maximum utilize all the resources to increase and to maximize our conversion rate and the sales. So for example, we can see here that this is a particular brand story of the company Dettol. So we can see that in this particular listing they have used like banner images, very big quite detailed page, so they have different kinds of variety of their products, and they also given these all products by using the hyperlink. Hyperlink means if a customer want to buy this particular product, if they are clicking on this thing, so this page will be redirected to this particular product. So this also increase the conversion rate, and A plus content will be looking like around this thing. So from this the customer will be easily understanding what our product is actually mean by. So our company is actually providing all these kinds of designing works for you that will be maximizing the conversion rate. So let me know, you can connect us on Instagram. Thank you, have a nice day.